Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mazda 3 low beam bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is set. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a new H11 bulb. Always let the headlight assembly cool down completely before touching it to prevent burns. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process for your vehicle's lighting. To access the bulb, turn your steering wheel fully to the side you are working on. This provides crucial space. Next, locate and remove 2 plastic clips and one 10mm bolt from the fender liner. Gently pull the fender liner back. This action will reveal the back of the headlight assembly, giving you direct access to the bulb. Now, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb by pressing the small tab and pulling it straight off. Then, grasp the old H11 bulb and rotate it counterclockwise by approximately 1/4 turn to release it. Carefully remove the old bulb. Take your new H11 bulb, align its 3 tabs with the housing, insert it, and rotate it clockwise to lock it into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new H11 bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully push the fender liner back into its original position. Reinstall the 2 plastic clips and the one 10mm bolt you removed earlier. Before driving, turn on your vehicle and test the new low beam bulb to confirm it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.